Hello friends! Today I'm here to introduce our product ADSM201 just like usual. But today there is some different. I got two PCBs from different brands of phone. This one comes from iPhone and this one comes from Huawei. We all know they both very famous brands in smartphone, but obviously iPhone is so much expensive than Huawei, and I guess I found some reasons of it. Even I don't know much about PCBs, but we all know there are a lot of little things on the board. My phone sucks, it just can't focus, and I found the little things, average size of these little things iPhone's PCBs is so much smaller than Huawei's, so that's why it's so much expensive than Huawei's. I guess just my personal opinion. So before I use this product to observe some PCBs the size just like that, and some people said it's okay, I don't need your product, I can just use my eyes to observe it and do some repair or soldering. But even maybe with this board, with this PCB, you can just use your eyes. But with this one, I really don't think so. Why you let your eyes suffering that? If your job is kind of if your job requires you to observe or do repair for this board whole day, every day, 8 hours, I think just no, don't do that. We have microscope. Remember, we have high technology. And now let's use it. Let's see how it works. The distance, observed distance, object distance is almost 13 or 14 centimeters. So I think this space is big enough for repairing or soldering. And let's see how it works. I need to use one hand to hold my phone, even my phone sucks. But so I can't do much about I can't do much operation. I guess you guys can understand. See how clear image we got. And go to this little part here. And also you can just move as fast as you want. We don't have any delay. You can just operate on this stand, and this totally works. And remember, this little screen also works. Without connection with HDMI, this screen can also work. But now, remember, I just have one hand. It's not convenient to operate. So you can watch some videos before. And remember, we also have this digital zoom. It's still very clear. This angle is better. So why just release your eyes, free your eyes. Don't let your eyes suffering this how to say pain. My English really needs to improve. Okay, now actually the light, because I just have one hand here, so I can't adjust the light very well. I guess you guys are much better than me. And so goodbye today. I wish you guys can enjoy my video and fall in love with our product DDSM201, and any question, contact me. Okay, goodbye.